What if you could shoot a high-end music video with no budget, just this camera, a few favors, and a small team?
3, 2, 1, action.
My name is Ben Hagarty, I'm a Canon Ambassador, and today I decided to challenge my friends to put the C50 to the test. They don't shoot on Canon, and they had about 6 hours to prep before shooting this video. So over the next few days, we're gonna be doing a music video shoot, and they're gonna be testing as many of the features that this camera has packed inside of it, from open gate to autofocus to digital IS and more. I think this is gonna be a cool way to see how this camera is gonna be used in a real world scenario by working professionals. So come hang out with us as we go behind the scenes of my friends' music video shoot that they're doing. Top of the morning.
Top of the morning. I love it.
This is a two-man band operation right here.
Heck yeah.
So you guys got to test it?
Yeah. Immediately we,
fell in love.
And we're like, oh, this is gonna be very, very nice.
This is how you transport your artist right here. You get them in the e-bike, toss them in the trunk. This is, right here is the opening shot, all right? We're walking about 15 minutes into the woods that way to meet our crew and the talent. They're about to shoot their first setup. It may be the first music video ever shot on a C50. So we're gonna see what they think about that.
Stay right there, Neil. Yep. It's like a whole new setup.
Neil, that shot's fire.
Boom!
That is the robot.
It looks like a robot arm. Like this, like falling into it. Like a robot.
This guy's a robot.
You should play it back real quick. There is some insane moments where it literally looks like
This autofocus with face tracking, it's held on his face the entire performance. He's moving front to back really quickly. Autofocus is really good. How fast you're moving around, and it literally tracked the whole thing.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not saying I'm blown away because of my camera. I am blown away.
That was my favorite take yet.
Aaron, the artist, is holding the camera in the bucket of the e-bike, and they're about to drive by, but Aaron, the director, looks like he's about to freeze his hands off. So they're gonna get this shot, and then we're gonna move on to the next location. Because of the open gate, they're able to get such a close, impactful shot, even in the bucket of an e-bike. What more could you want? Open gate, to have it in something this small and cost effective, you get so much from this body that you can't get without spending a lot of money.
We're so used to 16:9s that having that extra latitude is so wild.
That is.
We've never shot anything with open gate. It's immersive. It feels like we're cheating the system and shooting IMAX or something.
I feel like immersive is the word that we keep coming back to. We're just constantly wowed by like, oh, we can, pull off this shot that we have in mind with ease, and it also looks a lot better and more grand than we had even anticipated. I mean, this alone is literally perfect. When a circle of light appears, it's so almost like overwhelming. That is a really wow.
They're setting up the lights and filming the end of the music video. Got a big white cyc. As you can see, a lot of space. Is he gonna have a key?
Yeah. But just as like this is like the base of like the world, creating the.
This is really dope. So we will risk this C50 on the edge of this baseball bat that's not all the way wrapped around for the shot. Three, 2, 1, go. What I love about this camera is that it's got 5 different mounting points around the body, so you don't really need a cage for anything. We just mounted this to a fast bicycle, and got a really cool shot. The mounting capability on this camera. Last shot of the day. Got a lot done. It's been cool to watch these guys put their minds to work. And I think this was a cool way to demonstrate how powerful this camera can be for a small run and gun team that's got to stay within a budget. I don't know what else to say. The C50 is just so impressive. Big shout out to Good Arrow Films and Wes for letting me hang with them, and thanks Canon for making this video possible.